I hit this issue to date, and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you need to update your personal information with Fifth Third Bank, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Log into your account. Before changing your settings, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Navigate to Profile Settings. Once logged in, find the Profile or Settings option in the main menu. This is usually located at the top right corner of the screen. Step 3. Select Personal Information. In the Profile Settings, look for the section labeled Personal Information or Contact Information. Click on it to view your current details. Step 4. Edit your information. Click on the Edit button next to the information you want to update, such as your address or phone number. Make your changes and ensure everything is accurate. Note, double-check your new address for typos, as even a small mistake can lead to issues with your account statements. Step 5. Confirm changes. After saving your updates, look for a confirmation message or email to ensure your changes have been processed. If you don't see one, check back in the Profile Settings. Updating your personal information is straightforward once you know where to look. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to customer support. Happy banking!